My name is Atma Gunpudi. I lead the customer success team at MoEngage, and I'll be walking all of you through customer success and community initiatives that we have planned for this year. MoEngage is a customer obsessed organization, and we strongly believe in building our teams across the organization with single focus of customer success in mind. We have built our customer success organization throughout the years with customer at the center. And the sole focus of our customer success team has been to provide continuous engagement to the customers throughout their life cycle. Your engagement with MoEngage success team starts with focused implementation, support to ensure the right setup when you begin, which kind of dictates the success you have throughout your life cycle. We then extend the handholding with the help of customer success teams. We also provide solution engineering support to solve for your technical issues. And last but not least, all our customers have access to our growth community initiatives. And we are able to achieve this because of the teams that we have in place. And it is a commitment from MoEngage to make sure all our customers are successful. We are able to achieve great results in terms of customer success and get great feedback from our customers because of the team we have. We have close to 30 plus success managers who are experienced in various industries and verticals across the globe who are working with our customers. We also do regular business reviews and we share best practices to all our customers to help them navigate the complexities of the growth journey. We have a global support staff with experience across different channels and technologies, which are only focused on ensuring a quick turnaround time for all your technical queries. We provide guidance on KPI and efficiency improvement. We also have great growth academy resources, which I'll be briefly talking about in a bit. And we also provide industry benchmark reports to ensure you're doing the best in your industry compared to your peers, and you constantly keep improving the benchmark. Having said that, we continue to invest in customer success, and our focus this year is to provide you more value in three paradigms. First is proactive engagement, right? We continue to invest in our ability to provide you with best in class customer success engagement at the right time, even before sometimes you may realize you need the intervention. And support coverage for some of our customers across the globe, including SEA, India, Middle East, EU, and US. We have also started building industry focused capability inside the success organization, and we want to double down on delivering some of the best practices and benchmarks which are more suitable to you. We have currently started building capability in some of these industries, including and not limited to BFSI, e-commerce, OTT, EdTech, etc. Like I mentioned, our customers also have access to community initiatives. There are three pillars to our community initiatives. First is the Growth Academy. These are specialized certification courses on all things customer engagement. We also have a library of resources that you can at any time review and consume to further your knowledge with respect to customer engagement, retention, and growth strategies. Last but not least, we also have growth events where you can physically, obviously, COVID has put a limitation on the physical events, but we have recently captured the growth events as well. And some of these events we've also gotten great feedback from our customers with these as a result of these initiatives. And as you can see, our customers absolutely love the great lessons that we provide with the help of these growth initiatives and community initiatives. With that, I'm also excited to let you know that we have two new courses that we have launched this quarter. First one is a course that we have developed with the help of AppFollow, which is an app review management and app store optimization platform. And this is focused on helping marketers and growth managers on driving scalable growth through organic user acquisition. We have also worked on a course that will help our growth leaders of some of our traditional non-mobile first organizations in making sure they are uh, bridging the gap between offline and online customer touch points.